Well, 2024 is almost over, and there will be a mailbag on January 1st, 2025. As you can see in the corner there, some stuff showed up on my doorstep. I hope you've had a good year, and I hope next year is just as good, no matter where you are in the world, North America, Europe, down under. This globe here is actually in pretty bad shape. I picked it up because I've got a project plan for it. It'll take a while to do it, but essentially I am going to it that way and add in LEDs, etc. So I started the channel in March 4th of 2022, though the first real video came out in August. And I've had fairly good success. I'd probably be doing a lot better if I actually made videos in the summertime. I'll try to improve on that. But when the weather's good, hey. But I put the statistics up there in the corner. It's been fun doing this. And I'm hoping next year will be just as much fun. One thing I did notice in the stats, though, is that my highest hitting video, which is minor compared to a lot of other channels, MT3608, Fails and Burns, had the highest hits. Not something I want to try to repeat too often, but does say one thing is that always have the camera on, just in case something goes sideways in a hurry. So, have a good holidays, and see you in 2025. Bye.